Hey everyone, it's Ben from Board to Bits. I just wanted to give you guys an update on some of the content Board to Bits is going to be offering, some of which will tie into my Patreon campaign and rewards. First off though, I've received several requests from viewers to see my code in some of my tutorials. The bad news about this is that I haven't kept a lot of the code from older tutorial series. I've transitioned to computers and a lot of that code hasn't made it, so I can't share that with you. Good news, however, is starting this year, whenever I finish a series, I'm going to make that completed code available on GitHub for you to download and review. I've actually already done this with the custom 3D model series, which is currently on hiatus, but you can find that most up-to-date code at github.com/boardtobits. With all that said, you might be thinking, well, that's great, but what if I need the code when you're in the middle of a series? Well, for my entry-level Patreon reward, which is $4 a month or a little bit less than $1 per video at my current schedule, you're going to get access to a private link where I'm going to be putting up all my most recent code as I finish it for each tutorial, so you can really compare that code in your notes and kind of debug whenever you like. Likewise, you're going to have access to my Patreon stream and be able to participate in polls about future content for the channel. At the $8 a month level, I'm going to be sending out newsletters to patrons with news and previews of content. In addition, you're going to have access to me through Patreon messaging for any game dev questions you might have. It doesn't even have to be related to something that I'm doing in my current videos, but if there's something that you're curious about or need a little bit of help with, I'll answer that to the best of my ability, do some research for you. I've gotten questions like this in the past in my YouTube comments, and I just unfortunately, due to time constraints, haven't been able to answer them, but I do want to make myself available as that sort of resource to patrons of this level. Finally, we've got the $12 a month level, where you will actually be given the opportunity to request a topic for either a video or possibly a short series of 2 to 3 videos. We'll work together to kind of hash that out. Plus, you'll get an exclusive invite to a live weekly stream where you can see the stuff I'm working on, whether that's tutorials or my own projects. You can see how I work, ask me questions at that time, all that cool stuff. Anyway, all of these rewards are going to be available to you if you become a backer over at patreon.com/boardtobits. So check out the link below in the description or up on the screen right now. And if you like the content that I'm providing here on Board to Bits, please make a pledge for whatever you think these videos have been worth to you toward your game development. Anyway, that's all I have for updates right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.